pull a small card and then she will show it to us. If you have the same picture, we'll put a stone on the picture that you have on your card, okay?
Yes.
And then the first one will form 3 straight, or like this one, a 4, 4, like this, or like this one, or like that. It's already a winner, okay? Yes. Alright. Okay, one more please. Yeah, you can join with Alex. Yes. Yes. Okay, Rose, first one. Okay. Bingo. And if you're done, you shall bingo.
Giyuyog-uyog, ito yung tabiog ang mga bula. Tara, go, let's go. Ready? Yes.
Okay. The first picture will be.
Okay. Yes.
What's that?
Yes.
This will
This one.
be.
That's one, Bella. Here, get stone.
Oh, it's a beach. Yes, Crimson Beach.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, have a beach.
Oh, yes.
Same as one. Oh,
Yes.
Agnes.
Oh, there's a beach.
You have a beach?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, there's a beach.
Okay. Anyone else? You have a beach?
The Crimson Beach.
Oh, here.
Alright, let's go. Yes.
Everyone has a beach. Also have a beach. Okay.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. For the next card.
Yes.
Okay. This beautiful girl with
Okay,
our
beautiful
one-
girl.
Beautiful girl.
Here, and bingo
For Alex.
You really bingo.
Okay,
Okay, beautiful girl. Oscar, here.